Hello everyone, hope you are fine. This video, I will tell you about the same problem in your device Vivo Y76 5G. So, if in this device you are having any problem related to the SIM, like your SIM is not working or contacts are not showing, or any other problem related to the SIM, you can fix it by the methods I will tell you in this video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the SIM problem in your device Vivo Y76 5G. Let's watch the video.